What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to fold this. This is the remastered version of the Origami of the OG Origami emergency push button. So this is actually my most popular version of this one. Everybody's folded it, but it's the worst one. But I'm going to do a redo for the tutorial, and I did a little couple different folds to make it better and make it push down better. But besides that, it's pretty much the same thing. The tutorial is better though. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to fold it, then let's continue. Alright, so begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Rotate, and repeat. Now, fold up to here. Unfold, and fold up to here. And unfold. And do that all the way around. We're making an 8x8 grid. And when you come to it right here, you can just fold up like that to complete this half. Alright, now turn over and fold up this edge to here, and this edge to here. Or you can cut them off, or rip them off, but I'm not going to do that. Alright, now lift up this crease right here and lay it onto this crease right here, but you're not going to crease right here. You're just going to fold up, just flatten, and skip this square, because that's going to be part of the button, and we want the button to be seamless. And do that all the way around. Alright, now turn over. It was probably already turned over. Now you're going to fold in half diagonally, but you're not going to crease in the center square. This is one of the newer parts of this version. Oh. Dang. Didn't get the crease all the way over. Right, there we go. Now I'll do that on this side. Just fold these flaps. Alright, now let's form the cube. We're not going to do the pre-creasing because this crease right here also helps. So just push this together and then go under here, and then just push down that part right there. Eliminating the pre-creasing actually helps make it look nicer on the outside most of the time. It doesn't sound that believable, but it is. And I'll do that all the way around. I mean, you're not going to get these creases really that sharp, but as long as you get them as sharp as you can, then that's good. Because it's not really going to mess up the model. Alright, now we have the center cube button thing. Kind of pushes down right here, actually. Well, that's probably just mine. Alright, now on these edges, this is another new part. We're gonna fold these back. This is something that I've been doing on the in previous ones. I just didn't do it. I just didn't show you, that you can do it on the first model, but you can. And what this is doing is it's holding these together so they don't come apart like that. And when you fold it over, they're not going to be just like everywhere. And it just makes the model nicer and better. Alright, now fold this flap up, and then rotate and fold this flap up, and then fold this up, and then unfold that flap slightly, and fold this up, and then refold it. Alright, now crease the edges. These creases under here will help you. So, alright, now we're done. It works pretty well right here, but here's something that you can do to make it better. What you're gonna do is, hold on, let's just recrease these, just make them better. What you're gonna do is you're gonna poke down these corners right there to make it go like this, and then just bring them together and crease these edges right there. And then after you do that, flip it back out, and then crease it, and then do that again. Just gonna basically exercise it so then it's able to work much better. Just do that a couple more times. Alright, that's good enough. Now it should work much better. Most of the time it works much better. I think I probably exercised it out too much, and sometimes that is the case, but this usually helps. Okay, just crease these. I don't really know what else to say. Really just keep these high up to make it push down better, but like I said, this is the worst emergency push button. My favorite emergency push button is, let me actually go grab it, it's over here. This is the emergency push button 4.0, the best one, and it actually collapses. So if you haven't folded that, then go fold it right now. I'm not going to put the link up there because I usually forget. But this one, like all the other ones, except for this one, push down, then you just bring it back up. But that's better, too. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to do a redo tutorial for this model and show you a couple things that you can do to make it better. So yeah, if you guys want to learn, I'm sorry, I'm doing the intro. So if you guys, okay, I'm doing my brain's in like the intro part or something. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed folding this model, then I never say this. I'm just gonna end it because I'm gonna keep messing it up. Peace, goodbye. I also never say that too.